Hello guys, good morning. So guys, this is my 15th day of English speaking challenge. So guys, now I can speak very well in front of the camera or on camera. Okay, I'm really getting the I'm really getting some confidence day by day. But it but it is becoming possible just because of practicing or by practicing. Yes, if I could do this if I could do this for 2 months or 3 months or for a year, then I will be become then I'll be more fluent in English, and it is a and the number will be huge, and the number will be huge for me. Yes, if i if I try to become 1% good, if I try to become 1% good daily now, then after a year it will be it will be 365% better. Yes, and I want the betterment of myself. I want the betterment of myself. And what I have to do for this, I don't know, but I have to do. I have to sacrifice everything. I have to sacrifice everything, but I have to achieve my goal. I have to achieve my goal. I have to become a content creator. I have to become a fluent English speaker. I have to become a very fluent English speaker. Yes, and I have to enhance my communication skill also, and I have to enhance my communication skill also. There are so many things that I have to learn from everyone. Means I have to make friends. I have to make a lot of friends of mine. I have to make a lot of friends of mine. Means I want a I want a big circle. I want a big circle of friends. I want a big circle. I want a big friend circle. I want a big friend circle. Yes, I also want a lot of friends. I also want a lot of friends. Yes, means I have to. Yes, I'm spreading my links. Means I'm spreading my links. I also want that my links should be till my. I also want that I should also have a links. I should also have some. I'm thinking that I should have a lots of links. I'm also thinking that I should have a lots of links with the people. Everybody would know me. Everybody would know me. Yes, that who is Samir and what he does and what he does. Means everybody must recognize me. Everybody must recognize me by my identity, or by my name, or by my and by my work. Yes, and by my work and by my work. Yes, means I have to enhance myself every day. I have to enhance myself every day. First of all, I want a very good communication skill. First of all, I want a very good communication. First of all, I want a very good communication skill, and I want confidence as well. I have to speak that how to talk on camera, and how to talk to the people while making eye contact Yes, I have to maintain the eye contact also. And I have to improve my posture also. That how I stand, how I sit, how I sit. Means I have to know everything about me. That do I look nervous when I sit, when I walk? Yes, I have to observe everything. About me, regarding me. Yes, about me. Yes, so I will have to take a big step. I will have to take a big steps. I will have to take a big step. I know each and everything takes time. And I'm also ready for this. I also have to give a lot of time. For this. And I have to I have to improve. No, I have to make my English to the up. I have to make my English up to the mark. Means it should be very very excellent. I'm running after the excellence. I'm running after the excellence. I'm not running after the success. I'm not running after the success. I'm not running after the success. And the peoples, I have heard, I have I have watched on a I have watched from a video. I have watched in a video that the people, no no, I have heard in a video that suppose you are doing something and the people look at you and the people look at you, okay, and if he thinks you, and if they think you that his is he crazy, is he crazy, he has become crazy, I think he has become crazy, I think, huh, he has become crazy, I think. So at the same times at the same times you have to think on your brain that at the same time you have to think on your mind that whatever you are doing, whatever you are doing is very very good. You are at the right place. So keep it up, keep doing, keep keep doing and keep it up and keep going, okay. Means you never have to pull yourself away. Never have to pull yourself, you never have to pull yourself back. You never have to pull yourself back, okay. You just have to, you continue going, you have to continue going, okay. You have to continue going and going, okay. Means you have to become constant, you have to become constant in your path. Yes. Yesterday, yes, no no no, there are many things. So guys, sometimes you would be thinking that some of the words, sometimes he get hesitated. Yeah, yeah, I accept this, I get hesitated because of lack of words, or because of lack of sentences, because 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 sometimes I think on my mind that how to speak and what to speak. Yes. Means I don't get the exact topic, I don't get the exact topic that what to speak of, what to speak, over which I have to speak, means I have to every day activate my mind. I have to every day activate my mind here. I have to activate my brain. I have to I every day I every day have to activate my mind over here at this place, and thereafter I learn some, and thereafter in the whole day, I used to think in English. I used to think in English. But if I would rather say, then I'm unable to think in English because I have a lot, because I'm in the office, and that time I used to make videos. And because of that I don't get time to think in English. Yes. If rather I would be at home, no, if I would be at home, then I would be thinking in English. I would be thinking in English, because that time I would have nothing to do. So if I would be at my place, if I would be at my workplace, then there is no possible to think in English. Then there is no possible to think in English. Yes. So so but don't worry guys, I'm making a lot of effort. I'm making so much effort. To learn English. I'm making so much effort to become fluent in English. Yes, I'm making so much effort to become very fluent in English. I'm making so much effort for learning English. Yes, I have to become a very good. I have to become a very good speaker. I have to become a very good speaker of English. I have to become a very good speaker of English. Yes, and one day it will be possible. Yes, and one day it will definitely possible. And one day it will definitely be. And one day it will be and one day it will be definitely possible. It will be definitely. And one day it will. mm, and one day it will be definitely possible. Yes, I know very well about this. And I used to think, no, and all the time I used to think about me that I am at the right place, and one day it will be possible. One day I would be very rich, very 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 rich. I would have a lots of money. means I'll be a good I'll be a good influencer. I'll be a good influencer, I know. I'll be a good influencer, I know. I will have a lots of wealth. I would have a lots of wealth. I would have a lots of money. I would be the happiest person ever. I would be the happiest person ever. I would have I would have my parents, and I would take him to abroad for roaming. I would take my parents to 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 abroad for roaming. Yes. My dream is to take them to abroad. Yes. Yes. First of all, I have to fulfill their dreams. I have to fulfill the dreams of my parents, and thereafter and thereafter I have to fulfill my dreams, and thereafter my families also, and thereafter the fulfillment of dreams, and thereafter the dreams of my parents, and thereafter the dreams of my families. Yes, my family members. Means there I have no I mm, I'm I'm looking there is I'm looking that there are lots of money. I'm looking that there is a lots of money on social media. There is a lots of money on social media. Is that, and I'm thinking, no, I'm looking that there is a lots of money on social media. But how you would get that? How you would earn that money? By working. Yes. You have to first of all, you have to do something. You have to develop some skills into you, and thereafter you would get that money. Means you have to become a skilled labor. You have to become a skilled person. You have to become a skilled person. Yes. So guys, this is all about today, and this is all about today, and this is all about me. So I'll be back tomorrow onwards. Until you, take care. Bye.